Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to share with you just a little mystery box that I purchased from eBay. I'm addicted to mystery boxes. I purchased this mystery box from eBay. This box was £8.50 and the original price was £10, £10 free delivery, but you could make an offer. I made an offer of £8 and we haggled. I got it for £8.50, so I don't think that's too bad. I mean, it's not a big mystery box. It's not heavy at all. So let's just flip it open and see what we've got inside. So this is what the mystery box looks inside without taking everything out of it. We're just going to pull things out one by one. So the first thing that we got, is we got a little diamond painting. This is of an owl. Not a bad little item. I think these are around about £2, £1.80 on Temu, Shein, whatever, but it's not a big one. Let's actually open it. Oh, it's right here. These are hard to see, these little sticky bits at the bottom. Oh, here we go. So inside we've got our little owl and we've got all our little bits. Guys, that's in there pretty snug, so I'm just going to keep it in there until I decide to use it or give it away to my niece. But you can see the owl pattern. You can see the owl pattern, and then here, let me see if I can stop that from being so shiny. So that's pretty cute. We've got a bunch of nail polishes. I mean, these are worth probably £1 each, I would say. You've got this really cute blue, which is nice. We've got this one is a little, it's more on the peachy side, and you can see that it's split and it needs a bit of a shake. Actually, both of these colors are identical. I don't mind getting dupes if they're a nice color. I like that these ones have a lot of sheen. They're made by Gallery Colors, and this one's called Coral Reef, and this one is sky blue. So that's pretty neat. We'll set these off to the side. Let's see what else we've got inside this bag. We've got a couple of little things. We've got some stuff. I don't know what this is. Let's open it and find out. Guys, I do apologize about the lighting. I have had to move to a different spot just at the moment. I've had to move to a little bit of a different spot, and you can see that I've tried to use little lights here, but you can see the lighting isn't fantastic. Let me see if I can fix that. It's maybe a little better, probably not fantastic. Okay, so this is just some Velcro tape. I think that it sticks to itself. Used maybe for gardening, something like that, but that's not bad. Oh dear Lord, I think we have, we have some really watery melted slime. This looks like it's been around for a while. You can actually see how melty it is at the bottom. I'm not going to open this, but it does have some beads and I think a little novelty thing in the top. It's called Gabby's Playhouse. Well, Gabby is not getting her playhouse out today, but maybe that's something we can do in a other fun video. Oh, okay, we have some spoolies. I get these almost in every single bag, because I'm just going to try and see if I can turn this so we can get a bit of better lighting. But we have some spoolies. These are nice little glittery ones. The stick is glittery. I think you're getting 1, 2, 4, 6, and you're getting 10. I mean, they're fine. I do use spoolies. Oh, now this is pretty awesome. This is Miniso. I love Miniso. They're little tiny building blocks, and these are just fantastic. Oh, you can actually get a whole set. I have had Mr. Potato or potato chips already. I bought that when I was in Canada. So this is pretty neat. Let's see what you get inside. Okay, you get everything to make and the instructions. That's pretty neat. We maybe do that in a future video. That would be pretty awesome. We've got a couple more things in here. We have some, they're my size, which is awesome, but we have some insoles. I mean, these are just insoles. Insoles are insoles, right? If they want to open, I mean, they're padded, which is nice. So a pair of insoles. Okay, not mad at that. We have something inside a case. What do we have inside a case? What does it say? A beauty makeup tool. So the case is nice. And you've got these little tools. Guys, are these the tools that you get for... I'm just going to come around this side to see if I can get... No. Are these the tools that you use? I think they are for spot removal. So you get these. Oh, sorry. You actually get 4. This is terrible, terrible, terrible lighting. I'm going to see if I can maybe create a bit of extra light over here. But you get these tools. And then here we have the bottom tools. And they're not bad. I've never used any tools like that before, but we've got them. And then, oh, we have one more item. I thought this was something else at the bottom. It's not. They just put some nice, they just put some bubble wrap down there. But we've got a Potato Express. Okay, I have purchased a Potato Express. Let me open this out of the packaging. So, this is a little packet inside. Yep, exactly the same. It has the gingham on the inside. And you put potatoes inside this bag. And then you microwave them. So it says place 1 to 4 washed potatoes into the Potato Express. Then close the flap. Place the Potato Express in the microwave and cook for 4 minutes. Carefully remove the Potato Express from the microwave and carefully remove the potatoes. So I have already purchased one of these before. They are actually really good. They are roughly about £1.80, £1.50 to £1.80 on Temu, which is where I got mine. It is fantastic. It does take more than 4 minutes though to cook 4 potatoes. I usually put mine on for between 10 and 12, but it's 4 minutes in, 1 minute out, 4 minutes in, 1 minute out, just to make sure that you don't damage the actual Potato Express pouch. But for me, this was invaluable. Now I have a second one that is excellent. But I think a lot of these things some of these things are Temu related or Shein related. Totally fine with that because sometimes they buy things that I haven't bought from Temu and I get to experience those, which is awesome. But on the whole, for $8.50, I think this little box was absolutely worth the money. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite item is. I'm going to be straight up. I'm going to tell you exactly what mine is. It is the building blocks. I cannot wait to do these. Super, super fun. But if you guys like this video, please, as always, smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber and you're watching this video, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help my channel. It really boosts my videos in the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys have not or want to be notified of any of my future videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have the most amazing day. Take care and I'll catch you next time. Bye.